Hello, friends. How are you? Welcome to fall, autumn, Q4. I've already baked my first cast iron skillet cornbread of the season, and trust me, we're just getting warmed up. Apologies for the sabbatical, but as you can see, we've got some new digs, and I'm so excited about our latest deal. Autumn, as you may be aware, is also high time for hardware maintenance renewals. Ah, yes. Those 6- and 7-figure insurance policies that you purchase from Cisco and Dell and NetApp, etc., that seem to grow in price year in and year out, even as the value of the very assets they're supporting for you continue to depreciate. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever considered working with an independent hardware support specialist before? Think about that for just a second. Is it possible you're overpaying for hardware replacement and technical support? Is it possible? According to Gartner, by the way, we'll be at Gartner next month. I'll be there. See you there. According to Gartner, and I quote, end user customers are selectively using TPMs to cost effectively extend the life of IT assets, control OEM forced upgrades, and save money. You see, the problem is that OEMs intentionally use support cost increases to drive premature hardware refreshes. Instead, pivot as an independent hardware support specialist, a TPM provider. We use massive cost decreases to help you maintain the same hardware platforms as long as they're working for you, freeing up hundreds of thousands of dollars annually for innovation or other purposes. Recently, we helped a very large health system support 415 of their Cisco 9300 48-port PoE switches. You probably have a few of those. Their Cisco quote was $727 a piece. Our OneCall support, $220 each. That equals over $200,000 or 70% in immediate savings. Would a similar solution be impactful to your business? Let us help you answer that question. Well, folks, that is my time. As always, thank you for your attention, commentary, views, green clappy hands. I am Michael Bennett, your humble host, and I shall see you soon. Peace.